Good evening to all, one and all present here. Today I discuss about case study on NOx reduction using SCR presented by Mr. K. Ramesh, Assistant Professor Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering. Uh, Introduction. It is a fabrication department of Simplex or Department of Production. Internal planning of sequence of manufacturing the job, the cutting and fitting, the welding, the finishing. Welding. The welding is a process of joining two or more similar or dissimilar metals by heating them to suitable temperature with or without the application of pressure, filler materials and flux. Welding is used for making permanent joints. The welding is a process of joining two or more similar or dissimilar metals by heating them to a suitable temperature with or without applications of pressure, filler metal and flux. Welding is used for making permanent joints. Types of welding: plastic welding or pressure welding. The piece of metal to be joined or heated to a plastic state and forced together by external pressure. Example: welding, resistance welding, fusion welding or non-pressure welding. The material at the joint is heated to the molten state and allowed to solidify. Example: the two types of welding: gas welding and arc welding. Gas welding is used for mostly used for in the industrial purpose, the gas welding. The arc welding used for the simultaneously in the arc welding of civil construction work. Classification of welding process: gas welding, acetylene, arc welding, metal arc welding, resistance welding, resistance welding, uh, resistance welding, solid state welding, thermochemical welding, low temperature welding. Gas welding is a fusion welding process in which the heat for welding is obtained by the combustion of oxygen and fuel gas, may be acetylene and hydrogen. Are types of welding: the process oxyacetylene and air oxygen, oxyhydrogen, oxyfuel. Oxyacetylene welding the main purpose, the fuel gas regulator, oxygen cylinder support, oxyacetylene cylinder, fusible plugs, oxygen cylinder, the construction of the gas cylinder cap, fuel gas, oxygen scope, torch fuel gas valve, oxygen safety valve, oxygen cylinder valve, oxygen regulator, oxygen cylinder valve, uh, When combination of oxygen and acetylene is used in correct proportion to produce an intense gas flame, the process is known as oxygen oxyacetylene welding. Gas welding equipment: gas cylinder pressure, oxygen 125 kg per centimeter squared, acetylene 16 kg centimeter squared. Regulators: working pressure of oxygen 1 kg per centimeter squared, working pressure of acetylene 0.15 kg centimeter squared. Working pressure varies depends on the thickness of workpiece welded. Pressure gauges: the it is used for pressure adjustment device is used for the welding used in this process. The pressure gauge reduced for pressure hoses, welding torch, check valve, non-return valve. The gas is returned to the non-return valve. It is used for welding process. The main advantages and disadvantages of the welding process: the advantages: portable and most versatile process, better control over the temperature, suitable to weld dissimilar metals, low cost and maintenance. The disadvantage of the process involved: not suitable for heavy section, less working temperature of gas flame, slow rating of heating. Arc welding is a fusion welding process in which the heat required to fuse the metal is obtained from the electric arc between the base metal of an electrode. Types: arc welding process. The types: metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, tungsten instant gas welding, metal instant gas welding. Equipments: a welding generator, direct current or transformer, AC current. The a welding generation, DC current or transform is alternate current. The two cable, one for the work and one of the electrode holder, protective shield, gloves, wire brush, shipping hammer, process. Metal arc welding. The metal arc welding mainly the metal flux, molten arc, metal gas slag, gaseous workpiece. Stick welding process: the electrode arc weld slag, welded base wire probe. Use an electric arc to oscillate metal. The arc welding is the most common method of welding metals. Electricity travels from electrodes to base metal ground. Advantages and disadvantages of arc welding. Advantages of the arc welding: most efficient way to join metals, lowest cost joining methods, affordable lighter weight through better utilization of materials, join all commercial metals, provide design flexibility. Disadvantages of the arc welding: manually applied through high labor cost, need high energy causing danger, not convenient for disassembly, defects are hard to detect at joints. Applications. It is used in the manufacture of automobile bodies, aircraft frames, railway wagons, mission frames, structural work tanks, furnitures, boilers, general repair, work and shipbuilding, etc. The main application used it is used in manufacture of automobile bodies, aircraft frames, railway wagons, mission frame, structural work, tanks, furniture, boiler, general repair, work and shipbuilding, etc. Applications. It is used manufacture automobile bodies, aircraft frames, railway wagons, mission frame, structural work, tanks and furniture, boiler, general repair, work and shipbuilding. The conclusion. In use, we learn about the most popular welding type used in industries. A good weld is always strong. General welding equipment is not very costly. Portable welding equipment are available. The large number of metal and alloy, both similar and dissimilar, can be joined by welding. Welding welding permits considerable freedom in the design. Thank you, the one and all present here. Thank you.